See children, f equal to 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma minus 4. G equal to 4 comma minus 4, 6 comma 5, 8 comma 5. Find f plus g, f minus g, f plus 4. First of all, function f domains first values are the domain, second value is the range. Now f and g, what are the domains? Same values are there, children. 4 is there, 5, g also 4 is there. 5 is there, not there 5g. Next 6 is there, domain. Here also 6 is their domain. Now same domains are the write down. Then 4 comma 5, 6 comma minus 4, 4 comma minus 4, 6 comma 5, fg. Then f plus g. How to write f plus g? Write only domain value 4. Then 6 also is there same. 5 minus 4 and minus 4 plus 5. Then 5 minus 4 is a 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 comma 1, 6 comma 1. Domains are same, f and g. Range only you have to addition or subtraction. F minus g same domain 4, 6 are there, domain same is there. Only changes with the ranges. Minus is there, minus of minus. 5 minus of minus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. 6 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. Then 4 comma 9, 6 comma minus 9. F plus 4. Domains here only domains write down 4, 5, 6 are the domains. F value range 5 plus 4, 6 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 4 plus 4 is 0. This is the value of the f plus 4 value, children.